This is how to speed up any internet connection on Windows. We're going to go on the bottom left here and look up Run to open up the Run app. And in the Run app, we will type in ncpa.cpl just like that and press OK. It's going to open the network connections. You're going to see Bluetooth, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. We're going to worry about the Wi-Fi for now. We're going to right-click this and go to Properties. We're going to see in this space right here where it says Internet Protocol version 6, right here, sorry. Version 6, go ahead and press on that and click on Configure. In the tabs up here, we're going to go to Advanced. So let's go ahead and change some of these things in here. We're going to locate over to Fat Channel Intolerant. We're going to make sure this value is disabled right here. We're going to scroll a bit to Preferred Band. We're going to make sure this is on number 3, prefer 5 gigahertz band. Then we're going to go down over to Roaming Aggressiveness. Here, depending on how close your modem is to your PC, the lowest is the best. But if you turn on the lowest and your modem is maybe in the other room, maybe 2 rooms away, you will not be connected to Wi-Fi. Just keep that in mind. We're going to scroll a little bit up here to these 2 channel widths right here and make sure these both are on auto. Once you've done that, we're going to press OK. Once you've done that, go ahead and restart your computer and you should have faster internet speed.